Gliding into a world of lustrous metal and brute power, welcome to the Mustang Exhibition and Show. Listen to the quintessential rumble of American muscle reverberating through the ambience, where antique gems intermingle with contemporary wonders. Gaze upon the 65 Fastback, a timeless beauty brought back to her glory days, the shiny paint mirroring tales of the past. Leap forward in time, and the 2020 Shelby GT500 grabs your attention, its streamlined design murmuring velocity. Looking for unique characteristics? Observe the 70 Boss 302. See those unusual hockey stick stripes? They're not merely decorative, they're an homage to the racetrack lineage of this horse. From refurbishments that respect their beginnings, to alterations that challenge the norm, the Mustang Exhibition and Show is a procession of enthusiasm, craftsmanship, and the persistent allure of the Mustang. Fasten your seatbelt. We're taking a thrilling journey through automotive history.